Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about logarithmic equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do, we need to put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. Fn8 to the power of b equals to bfn8. So for this one, number 2 that is about 8, s plus 1 that is about b. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Similar for the second one. Next, ln number 2 multiplied by s plus 1 and ln number 3 multiplied by 2s minus 5. So they should be like this. So I will put this one go to the left, ln number 2 go to the right. Next, s and s we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This one approximates about 4.11. This is the end. Thank you for watching.